How to fix WhatsApp download failed easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone, and after that you have to go into the wireless and networks. Open the Wi-Fi option and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Go back and you have to do now one last thing, which is you have to open the apps manager page. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to wait a few seconds. After that you have to scroll all the way down until you find WhatsApp and click on it. After that, this is the app informations page. Click on force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then click on the data usage and make sure to enable all those options. And that's it. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.